Naptown versus Riceburg. Keep you up there. I'm ready, baby. Tip goes to Riceburg. Turnover. White with the kick out. Give me 3. Right back at you. Talk to him, man. Hey, tell my homie to get baseline. The other ref got to get baseline. Ooh, shit. Motherfucker got the video. Hey, Ryan, tell him he got to get baseline. Take 6'5" soldiers. Rebound, Riceburg. I guess Riceburg's big man said they ain't coming back. They ain't coming back. That's what I said. But then I'm like, I don't want that headache.
Yeah, that's exactly what I came up with.
Peyton Ross. Miss. Get that shit out of here. The fuck was you thinking? Excuse my language, I'm sorry. Forgot where I was at. Good pass, Ant. He said he's serving dime sacks out here. Shoot that, Dwight. Yes, sir. Yeah, Ant. Up, break. Come on, Dwight, you average 20. Look at him. Look at him in the middle of half court. Faking an injury because he ain't getting the ball. Good take, boy. Okay. Oh yeah, you got him. You got him. Mouth check. Oh! Give me 3. 11-7. Soldiers. Dwight bringing it up. Pull it, Dwight. Don't let him outshoot you. Turnover. Oh, Peyton brought it back out. He got a mouse in the house. Give me 3. It's getting hot, hot, hot. Riceburg will be angry. They'll be arguing in a minute.
Oh, it's right here.
Give me 3. Somebody better check him. He's shooting. Call the police. He popping y'all. 17-7. Foul on Ant. Do we got a sub? We got a sub. We got a sub. Nobody want to come out? Subbed in and shot a goddamn break. Pass. And he got scored on. And he got scored on. Sub his ass back out. I'm here for y'all entertainment, baby. Still, they running their ass out the gym. Give me 3. Give me 3. Sub his ass out. Get Peter Parker out the game. We need Spider-Man. This game is sponsored by Budweiser. Ball in. Let's get some subs, soldiers. Y'all played 7 minutes. Oh my Jesus, they can't buy a bucket. Give me 3. Break. Yeah, Dwight. Air ball, air ball, air ball. Okay. Spider senses kicked in now. Gotta get back on D though. I got it. Oh. Good drive and kick. And 1. Jimmy. I love that. 3 little. Give me 3. Foul on Peyton. Peter Parker with the pass. (23-11), 11 minutes, 13 seconds. Yep. I don't think the Riceburgs came to play today, ladies and gentlemen. Good hustle by referee Ryan Abbott. Adam Sandler looking ass. Okay, Mouse in the house. Give me 3. Good shot, Family Guy. That's a lid on that boy. That's because they ain't warm up shooting no layups. Gray ball. Oh, we called a travel. We called a travel. We called a travel. We called. He fell slow. We want TJ. We want TJ. We want TJ. Ryan is really roughing the game by himself. The Skilla baby don't know what he's doing. They picking on him. Smooth operator. He's a smooth operator. Sitting. Oh! He dropped him! And he jacked his mag. Man, sub his ass out. Don't do all that in a minute. Damn, he dropped him. That shit on camera too, boy. I should have zoomed in. Dropped his ass. I think y'all pissed him off now. Give me three. Nope. Peter Griffin. Nope. Y'all skip for that? Okay, mid-ranger. Brick. Let's go, Dwight. Let's go, Dwight. Travel. God damn. That motherfucker went to Jamaica. That boy traveled, boy, to Vegas. Good Lord. That was at LeBron James. Knock that down. Let's go. Who running with me? Going down. That's good. I lied. I'm sorry. I had faith in him. Two shots. Hey man, give my man TJ some playing time. Come on, baby. Damn, Sherrod, what you played? 13 seconds? That's the quickest sub in GTBA history. That boy said, I'm tired, boss. Dwight, take him. Take him, Dwight. Oh, this ain't the Dwight I like, man. Talk you right out of this game every time. In your mouth, too. You missed the whole play. She missed the whole play. She didn't even record it. Yes, sir. They running. We gone. Good pass. Good pass. Peter Griffin with the assist. Well, I told y'all they're arguing pretty soon. Turnover. Jimmy Green. Short. Shit. He liked that. Miss. Good defense. And one. Get your ass up. Ain't no flopping. $37-21. Soldiers. Of course, ain't nobody gonna come out, Ant. Ooh, good travel. Good Lord. God. How many steps do we get? Yeah, Dwight. Foul on number 7. Sub. Sub. We want TJ. Stay here. That was all for Peyton. One minute, 17 seconds. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken, Ant. Yeah, Dwight. That's almost another air ball. Yeah, Ant. Yeah, Ant. Don't bail him out. Man, gotta be a blocking foul or something. Too big to be doing that shit. Ball on the court by Wrightsburg. 26 seconds on the clock. Get the ball, Ant. Ten. 5 seconds. And that's how the halftime. Second half has begun. Soldiers bringing it up. Riceburgs went to a 2-3. That was smart. But not if ain't nobody talking. It's too quiet in here. And you got a rebound. Yep, he said it, not me. Ant said, give me that. Break. 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 Good hustle, Dwight. Sub his ass out. Give me 3. Uh-oh, it's another 20 ball. There's about to be another 20 ball. What the? The Riceburgs are shitty. I'd be shitty too. I'm down 20. About time. I love watching them play. That's a horrible God damn. This ain't football. No, it's Sunday and all. Hey, man, give my man TJ some clout. He said I missed layups, but I get you this 3. Don't take the hot man out.
Yeah.
Good pass, boy. OG. Court vision. Got you. Bye. Referee timeout. Referee timeout. You got hit in the head. He needs some milk. Good call, ref. Good pass. Oh, come on. Go. The birds are flocking. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Bird ball don't lie. It looked good from here. That's a 5-second count. With 2. I call him smooth. He just come play ball. Yeah, I like that. They working. Back to 11-point game. Man. Oh my God, the whole crowd is with the soldiers. Wow, that was all ball. Sub! 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 Good minutes, boy. Shot 3s. Family guy. That was clutch. That might put the birds to sleep. Okay, right back at him. Keep fighting. He caught it. Tell him, the Dwight around your lips. T-Woods, what's that foul count, baby? They should be shooting free throws. The birds are fighting. They fighting for their life. But Ant said not on his watch. Nobody's in the middle. Shoot the 3, Ant. okie dokie. He got your ass with the okie dokie, eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, which one your man, Dwight? Number 3? Number 3 your man, right? You been locking that shit up. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3. Talk to him. Talk to him, 3. Ah, boo. Get the ball back. My bad. I didn't get that bucket, but he scored. Good call. My mans ain't called nothing all game. Do he have a whistle? Bird is arguing again, but they still in the game. But Ant said, Brick, smooth with the ball. Smooth operator. Look at it, clock management now, 6. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Mouse in the house. Travel. They ain't got no good footwork like that. Might be a bucket though. He hit the ball 2 times. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Yeah, Dwight, that's your man. Good hands. Oh, you supposed to look at that clock, man. But your man ain't scored. Yeah, it's over. That's your man. Oh, he missed. He smoked it. What Dwight gonna do? Miss. Sorry ass. Get that nigga out here. Down goes Riceburg, 2 minutes to go. Now it's just patting our stats now. We want TJ. TJ, he got on his Happy Gilmore pants. Zoom in on them shits. Minute 34, 59-74. TJ with the block. TJ with the rebound. Oh, TJ with the rebound. Nope, TJ don't get that rebound. Damn, TJ with the... TJ out there playing rugby. What was that, TJ? He called a foul. 3 point, 3 shots. That's game. Nice first folk to the end. That's my time. I'm AD. I'm out.